So friends, if you have account in HDFC Bank and if you're using HDFC Bank application and if you want to know how to know or find customer ID in this particular app, then this is the video for you. I'm going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now the very first thing you have to do is just simply open HDFC Bank application in your mobile phone and complete the login process. It doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, the process is going to be the same. Now in iPhone you can use Face ID or you can basically enter MPIN to complete the login process. Now once the application is completely started, this is the kind of basic interface you will be able to see on your mobile screen. At the top you can check out your balance, you can also check out your saving account number, and you get multiple options over here at the bottom. Now if you simply go to manage account, all you can do is you can basically check out all the account details over here. So if I tap on view account details, it will automatically go down, and over here you can check out the account holder name. If you tap on this I option, you can check out the account number, you can check out the IFSC code, and you can check out the branch. But there is no option to check customer ID over here. If I go up, you can see I'm not able to see customer ID over here. So where can you find it? So usually customer ID should be in account details, but in HDFC Bank application, if you go to profile section on the left hand side top corner, over here you have to select my profile option. And as soon as you select my profile option, over here you can check out your customer ID. So you can use this customer ID for HDFC net banking as well. But this is the only way. You won't find customer ID in account details. If you want to check out in application, in profile, you can check out your customer ID. Also, if you download statement, in your statement at the top, you will get your customer ID over there. So these are the simple ways by which you can simply know or find your customer ID in HDFC Bank application. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.